everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to teach you how to make skin brightening black soap. Need 300 grams of African black soap. You need to cut it into a smaller pieces so that it will be easily to dissolve in your hot infused coffee tea. We need 2 tablespoons of ground coffee. We are going to use this 2 tablespoons of ground coffee to make a coffee tea. That is the water we are going to use to dissolve our black soap. And coffee has a lot of benefits. It can brighten skin, dark spots, and it's good for acne. So you need hot distilled water, which we are going to use to infuse our coffee to make a tea. You stir the coffee well because we want everything to infuse in the water so that we can use it to make our black soap. That's our skin brightening black soap. Coffee has a lot of skin brightening benefit or skin benefits. So if you want, you can learn more about it. What I'm doing is to put my African black soap into a big container because my container is too small for me. So I'm going to put it in a big container. And African black soap to have skin benefits. It's good for eczema, skin rashes. It has skin healing properties. So that's the reason why we use African black soap. And this black soap is from Ghana. That's the best black soap to get for your recipe. Next, we will strain our coffee tea because we want to remove every particles from in. We don't want to see it in the soap. So after you're done straining your coffee, we are going to measure it to take the quantity we want, and we want 225 grams infused coffee tea. Coffee is very good for skin, so learn more about its benefit. And what we are doing next is to pour our infused hot coffee tea on our black soap. So this took me 2 hours for everything to dissolve. If you are in a hurry, you can do it on fire on a low heat. If you are not in a hurry, you can do this and leave it. The next day it's ready. Or you cover your soap after you pour your coffee tea on the black soap. You cover it and let it sit and wait for it to dissolve. It depends on everybody. My 2 hours time it have dissolved, but some people it can take longer, so you let it dissolve. I'm going to measure my 25 grams of Pro Vitamin B5, which is very good for the skin. Pro Vitamin B5 can moisturize the skin and make the skin soft, also can brighten blemishes, so it's very good. I also need 50 grams of distilled water because that's the water we are going to use to dissolve our Pro Vitamin B5. And Pro Vitamin B5 is water soluble, so it's easy to dissolve in water, and we are going to get all these benefits in our skin brightening black soap. I'm also using 2.5 grams essential oil blend, using sweet orange essential oil, which is very good for skin brightening, dark spots, and acne skin. Also, I'm using tea tree, which is very good for skin glowing. If you want a flawless skin, tea tree is very good. So I will dissolve my Pro Vitamin B5 in my distilled water. Stir until it's all dissolved and the water is clear. Now our soap has dissolved and it's ready, and you can see it. If you want this soap very thick, that means you need to reduce the coffee tea water quantity if you want it very thick, but I don't want it very thick this time because African black soap normally look liquid. It's not so thick. If you want it to be too thick, you can add salt, dilute salt in water and add a little by little and stir until you get the thickness you want. So I have added my essential oils and I'm going to pour it into a clean sanitized bottle. I didn't add preservative because this is a small batch I made and I'm using it within 2 weeks. It's done, it's finished. But if you want to add preservative like Jama Plus preservative, you need 2.5 grams or any preservative of your choice. Just check the percentage usage rate and know how to use it. So I have my skin brightening African black soap. It's so easy to make, so don't forget to do this soap, and comment below if you have any question. Just comment below. This soap really foam very well. So this is the recipe. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.